Fatty liver is a growing concern and it's one of the common problems I see as a medical gastroenterologist in my daily practice. Liver in our body is a vital organ that has got multiple functions, but there are certain fruits that are highly beneficial in improving the liver health. Often I get asked from my patients, what sort of fruits should I eat, doctor, to improve the fatty liver? We all know fruits in general are good for us, but there are certain fruits that are highly beneficial in improving the liver health, especially for those with fatty liver. Liver in our body is a vital organ that has got multiple functions. Imagine like having an engine in a car or any kind of vehicle. Without that, it won't function. So liver is like that in our body. It maintains our overall health. It's responsible for removing various toxins from our body, what we call as the detoxification process. Liver stores various nutrients, including fats, carbohydrates, and acts as a storehouse and releases when our body needs them. So, protecting liver is highly important to improve our overall health, and what we eat every day plays a major role in terms of liver health. Let us look at the best fruits for optimal liver health. Firstly, citrus fruits. Fruits like oranges, mosambi, lemons, grapefruit. The high vitamin C in these citrus fruits boosts our immune system, enhances the liver's purification or what we call as the natural detoxification process. The vitamin C in lemons or limes helps synthesize collagen, which is important for maintaining liver health. Grapefruits contain certain compounds that improve what we call as insulin sensitivity and is of great benefit in fatty liver disease. Next on the list is apple, one of the best fruits, and everyone knows the saying, apple a day keeps the doctor away. This is indeed to some extent true. One apple a day can keep your liver problems under check. Apples are rich in fiber, and this is soluble fiber that is essential for our digestion. So it's a easily digestible fiber and helps in eliminating toxins from our body, gets the colon clear. Pectin that is present in apples can bind to the metals and help remove them from the liver, thereby improving the liver's natural purification or detoxing process. Papayas. Papayas are excellent fruits for improving liver health. It's available throughout the year and it is not an expensive fruit. Papayas are rich in antioxidants. They contain powerful antioxidants like beta carotene, vitamin C, vitamin E. All these help fight inflammation in the liver and reduces what we call as this oxidative stress, which is the damage of the cells happening in the liver. The nutrients in papaya also can help in regeneration of new liver cells, so improving the liver from any ongoing liver damage. Papayas contain an enzyme called papain that helps improve our digestion, reduces bloating, relieves constipation. If you have a good digestive process, this can help reduce the load on the liver. Some studies have suggested benefit of papayas, especially for people with fatty liver disease. Papaya is not only good for our liver, but it's also good for our heart and good for our immune system. Even people with diabetes need not worry and consume papaya because taking a portion of papaya every day is not going to shoot your blood sugars up much. But ensure if you are a diabetic, a papaya what you eat is not too ripe. So you need to choose the papaya which is reasonably hard so that there's not a high level of sugar content. Next on the list is berries, all sorts of berries, blueberries, raspberries, strawberries. These berries are packed with nutrients that support liver health. They are rich in antioxidants like these anthocyanins, vitamin C that fights inflammation, maintains good liver health, and also reduces progression of liver damage or liver disease. Berries are also good source of dietary fiber that helps our digestion, helps improve the gut's good bacteria by feeding them what we call as the prebiotic. So having healthy gut can certainly improve your liver health. Some studies have suggested that berries may even improve the fat metabolism in the liver, which is of great benefit for people with fatty liver disease to prevent further liver damage. Berries are absolutely fine in people with diabetes because they are low glycemic index fruit. So you don't really need to worry about rapid spikes in the sugars. If you are finding that berries are expensive, alternatively, you can choose to eat pomegranates, seasonal fruits like kala jamun, which is equally rich in antioxidants that help the liver function. Next on our list is kiwi fruit. Kiwi fruits are highly nutritious fruits that contain very high levels of vitamin C, vitamin E, and antioxidants that helps repairing the liver damage and improves your overall liver health. The dietary fiber in kiwis also helps improve your digestion. Because of their low calories and also nutritionally rich, they are fantastic choice for people wanting to lose weight and also helps in maintaining a healthy weight. So include kiwis as part of your well-balanced diet and can definitely contribute to an improved overall liver health. Next is avocado. Avocados are technically fruits. They are highly calorific, nutritious, and they are abundant in healthy fats, or what we call as these good fats, monosaturated fats, these omega-3 fatty acids, which our body needs. So these good fats in avocado, along with the fiber content what avocados have, helps in reducing the liver fat and also improves the overall liver health. This is especially good news for people with fatty liver disease. So not all fat is bad. Good fats are good for people with liver disease. Avocados are also rich in antioxidants like glutathione that protects the liver cells from any damage. Lastly, grapes. Grapes that are especially dark red or purple colored grapes, they are powerhouses due to the high amounts of antioxidant content. The resveratrol helps in liver damage because they are good in reducing, this is like an antioxidant that helps reduce the inflammation, helps recovery and repair of damaged liver cells. Vitamins, naturally occurring bioactive substances, and cellulose that is contained in these grapes are highly beneficial in people with liver disease. There are a couple of studies that have shown benefits of grapes on liver health, especially in people with fatty liver disease. Incorporating these 7 super fruits, which I mentioned in your diet, along with regular exercise and following an overall well-balanced nutrition can go a long way in reversing fatty liver disease. It can reduce liver damage and helps you maintain a very good liver health, which is highly essential if you want to maintain your overall health.